Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Okay, today I wanted to show you a little thing that you can do. Perhaps you found a video on YouTube that you would like to embed in your blog, but there's a big preamble at the beginning. For example, this one, the Chosen Global Live Event Season 2, Episode 2, right up to basically there. There's not much there. So you choose where you want to start. Let's go back a little bit. Here we are.
Ask those questions.
See, this is the director's
I really would
talking here.
love for
Now,
you to make
maybe
sure
you
that you're
want the
not
whole
letting
thing
that
embedded.
interrupt your experience watching the show.
Just close the. So as you can see, now you can hear me. Who am I? I'm Sister _ Sue. That's SU. S as in Savior, not F like fire truck. Please click that, whatever's down in the corner there, give that a click real quick and hit the bell as well. And tell all your friends. And thank you everyone that has subscribed. Thank you for subscribing to me. And this is a little tip I thought you might be able to use. So anyway, maybe you want to include the whole video. It's a long one, so you should know. Maybe you prefer to choose to have it start in the movies, where they actually start the movie. And that's a little bit further in. Okay. I believe it was like 1930. There's 1920. 1921. 24, 25. There. It's turn. I moved it back. So that's about 1930, I believe. It's kind of tricky to move this up. There. Oh, there. I wanted to start with Angel. That's 1920. So 10 seconds. Oh, there. 1929, I think it showed up. Yeah, 1929, 1930. Okay. So, as I showed the other day, you want to embed. You click on share. You click on embed. As I said, you can tick this little box here, start at, and now this box will show where you stop the show, or you can change that. So it says start at 1929. You want to start at 1930 because I know that starts there, but hey, we'll take the 1929. So we take 1929, click in this box. I don't know if you were here for the previous video when I talked about the importance of clicking this little box, enable privacy enhance mode, but that is something you do want to do. You can choose if you want to show the player controls or not. I usually show the player controls so people can choose how loud and so on and so forth. All you do here is you click copy, and that copies all that. And then you go to your blog. Now I use Blogger, and I highly recommend it to all my friends. So Blogger, BLOGGER. You can see I am searching with Microsoft Edge because it does give me points that I can give away and support things that are important to me. So sign in. And then I click on my account. And now I'm in a back office here. Turtle Dove Thoughts is in my personal blog. Click on new post. And you put a title up there. But just show you, this is just to show you. As you see here, this is showing the HTML view. That's what you want to see. You follow me? There's a compose view. That's not the one you want. HTML. So you paste the code, Control V. Now, as you can see, here's another little trick I'm going to show you here. You'll see here it shows the start 1169. Interesting. Okay. But the one thing I wanted to show you is about the width. If in width you put 100%, you will end up with it being responsive. So if you change the width of your column, then you don't have any problems. So 100%. We'll just click on preview here so you can see. There. And there it is there. So that's, I hope this is helpful to you. Remember to pray because things do change that way. Have a fabulous day. And if this is helpful to you on helping you with YouTube or Blogger, please leave a comment below. If there's something else you would like to know, ask. You know, I might know, I may not know, but if you don't ask, you won't find out. And hey, maybe it's something I've been has been driving me cray, and it'll get me wanting to find out for you too. So have a great day. God bless. Remember, subscribe, click like.